Have you ever laid in bed at night and wondered, what does Forever Green do whenever it rains? Well, you don't have to wonder anymore, because I'm about to show you.
You get the trailer brought here in just a few days and empty it. We can empty it and put it in storage, and y'all can come back and pick it up. And he said that's fine, but the only thing about that is they would charge us twice for freight, once to deliver it and once to come back and pick it up. So he said if I could find a truck driver, it'd be good. I'm gonna work on that too. Like 18 months ago? Somebody that
Where you gonna put
truck, pick it up.
You gonna pull one out of your butt?
Man, I'm gonna open the shop. I don't know.
One of y'all text me the address, alright?
Come here, I'll show you. Right in here on this bucket.
Alright. That's key, the address.
What is it, Jason? What is it? I'm gonna have to watch what I do around here. They post something crazy.
Yeah, I will. I got all kinds of crazy stuff.
I know it. That's on you. What if I moan you? You gonna put that on Facebook?
Nah. Good?
Okay. I'm gonna argue with that. I was in there talking to Bill, and he said, I said, how come you ain't eating none of these? He said, they're just sweet. I said, sweet, that's the best part about it. We can wash that thing. That's what I'm gonna do. It's dirty. Bad. That's how much work I put in. Pretty good. I always heard you could tell how hard a man works by how dirty your shoes are. You look pretty clean. Somebody threw it down.
Yeah, everybody keeps throwing trash in there.
You
need a good shot.
Yeah, I got a pretty good one.
Good shot.
Yeah.
Bubba in it.
Bubba, when it comes to camera, Bubba's like a fly. He's like a fly buzzing around. He's gonna find his way in front of the camera.
There you go. That'd be good background. John working on it. Ready and action.
Hey, good morning, Forever Green customers. Hey, my name's Sarge. Let me get it again.
All right, hold on a second. John, how beneficial do you think this rain is for our lawns?
Oh, it's pretty much the most important thing for the yards. Reeder grass, Georgia, and fescue, just like us, are living organisms, need water, need nutrients. It's been a dry. Hi, this is John with Forever Green, lead tech here. I just want to tell you how important this last 2 days of rain have been. Last month, we've not had any rain pretty much, and you can see the yards are dried out, got tan. Yards are just like us. We need water, we need nutrients, and you can almost think of it like an athlete on the field. He sweated out all of his water, he's getting dehydrated, and now this is a cold Gatorade for that yard. Something like that.
A cold Gatorade.
Cold Gatorade.
That's good.
Yeah, it's gonna be something. Yeah, it's gonna make it change the color and help out with it not dying. Morning, everybody. This is John with Forever Green, and today was a good cold drink of water. Morning. This is John, the lead tech here with Forever Green. I just want to go over you. It's pretty much the same thing as an athlete that's gotten dehydrated on the field, and a cold glass of water. Pretty much like if I was out in the field all day, not had anything to drink, I was dehydrated, and the last 2 days was a cold glass of water for myself. you'll start seeing the yards green up and keep smiling. Hi, this is John Lee Tech with Forever Green. Our yard's been dehydrated from the drought we've been going through. And the last 2 days, rainfall has really helped them out. You'll start seeing your yard turn a little bit more greener and greener every day. And just be patient. It's pretty much like an athlete on the field. It's gotten dehydrated throughout the game, and it's finally gotten that cold glass of water to rehydrate itself. If y'all have any questions or see me out in the field, just stop, say, "Hey John, what's wrong with my yard?" I'll try to give you the best answer I possibly can. Y'all have a great day. With the rain coming and everything, I know I can maybe spark one up. Yeah, guys, if you see a red beard on the side of the road, it's probably because my old lady kicked me out. But, having a good time. Just please stop. At least give me a bottle of water. Get right.
Maybe a couch to sleep on.
Have me a couch to sleep on.
I like being in front of the camera. Oh, you doing?
Our spray machines versus our big tanks. Our spray machines